er den i gang. Lunde, kan du lige sige hej?
Hello.
Kan du forklare, hvad vi laver her?
To our trip to the big city.
Yes.
We are going to take you to all the amazing places in the Copenhagen.
Yes. Yes.
And, next stop is McDonald's.
But first, Wonder Wheel.
And the Wonder Wheel.
There you have it. Wonder Wheels.
Huge. It is huge.
Wonder Wheels of Copenhagen.
Yeah.
And now we walk.
We walk. It is very cold, as you can see. Very cold. On
Yes.
the ground, it's
Can I say hello to my mommy?
This is our photographer.
That is me.
He is making the movie.
Yes.
But I am the star. I am the star.
Yes, you are the
I'm the
star.
star.
Yes.
Oh,
World star. Where
you
we
can
go
see
now?
there are a lot of people in the Copenhagen.
Yes. Very cold
Lot
people.
of people.
Everywhere it is.
Lots of people.
Now we go. That is the circus building.
Circus building.
I have heard
And then
many
they play
things about.
sometimes music, and there are also dating decor parties.
No,
I've
really.
seen it on a program.
Have you been?
No,
No.
I've not been yet.
No.
I'm of course gonna go. You have to when you're in Copenhagen, you know?
Yes. You have
I
what?
watched it on
Excuse me.
television.
You said what?
Yes, you have to go when you're in Copenhagen. You have to go to a dating party.
Oh, I thought you meant go on feet.
Oh, what? I did not get it.
Where we go now?
Sometimes she's a bit cuckoo.
Did you call me he? It is because I am a she-male.
You are a she-man.
But now the photographer will
That's
keep
why
mouth shut.
That's why you are behind the camera.
Yes, I can.
It's not a pretty sight. It's not like this.
No, it is not.
It's not like this.
No.
No.
Where we go now on the big city side?
You see, we're gonna cross the street.
Oh no.
I'm just gonna
Look
see
left.
and look to the right.
Look right. Look left. Look right.
You can only step on the right thing.
Oh yes.
Otherwise you're gonna
Oh, that is hard.
you cannot step on
That is not good because photographer very short legs.
Okay, photographer can do it, but not me, of course.
No. Okay, thank you. Because otherwise
just
I
take
fall.
very long steps.
Can I watch?
Because that's what you do in the Copenhagen.
Can I watch? Yes, that's good. Yes, that's good. Yes, that's beautiful. Yes. Yes. Tyra! Neck! Don't forget the neck! Fierce! Bring your fierceness! Give me fierce! Give me fierce! Hey, that was Oprah.
Oh, sorry. Sometimes they just think you're a bit alike.
Oh, it is because they are both black.
They're black and they have big butts.
I have
cannot say
big
it, Tyra's
butts
gonna
and I
get-
cannot lie. Other people can't deny. I like big butts. I will shut up.
I like
Where
big
we
boys.
What? No, that is a whole other show.
Yes, I know.
Not now.
No.
Where we go now? Tuborg?
To the McDonald's.
Oh,
Important always when you go to a foreign country that you try to visit different kinds of
Yes.
McDonald's just to test the burgers. To see,
yes.
are they the same as back in your own country?
Yeah. Yes.
That's very nice to know.
Are they
always do that.
also the same names?
And I always buy one and then just keep it, never eat it. And just, so it, yes, I have a collection.
Oh, but there it is. Okay. Yes, I follow. Yes.
That you're polite to the natives.
Yes, because otherwise they will not let you in country again.
No.
In McDonald's again. This is very beautiful architecture.
See, this is.
Finns.
Especially this piece. It is the special.
Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, it is with a cup on top. It is so beautiful.
And some garbage, but somebody put it there on purpose.
Oh, really?
On purpose.
On purpose.
It
Are you on purpose?
is actually a sculpture.
Oh yes, I see that.
Yes.
Yes. But photographer
I must show you something
has to go.
very Danish.
Yes.
Very Danish.
Yes. What is?
This is a very Danish cheeseburger.
Oh, it is also the Danish word.
Yes, it is even spelled in the Danish
What about the chili cheese tops?
Oh, I have never tried.
Are they
it.
not from the land of the French?
Yes, I believe so.
And the apples. They are from Germany.
And Mrs. Photographer?
Yes.
Mr. and Mrs.
I am just a miss.
Can you just tell the camera what country we are from? It's a very special country. It's called Mia Malay country. Nobody really knows about it.
It is because it is a country that is so small.
But
Hey, we can look in the... Hello.
hello.
Hello, I am also here.
Hello. Mia is also here.
Now we have to go see film also. A Danish place.
Yes.
What is time?
It is at 6:30.
6:30. Oh wow, that is.
It is 6:30.
It is 6:30.
Maybe we should just take a break now.
Okay,
it's
we'll
very
take. Yes.
private for me to buy food.
Can you say one final? Can you have final say? Then we.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the first episode. And
I hope you come back for
a lot
more.
of fun making it.
We do that in our country.
We do that in our country. I don't want to put it silly.
Now